Tourism has been giving visitors to our island an exceptional experience for a long time, and our visitors have kept coming back for more. In 2016, Jamaica hosted almost 2.2 million stopover arrivals. That's 2.7% more stopover arrivals than 2015. We welcomed over 1.6 million cruise ship passengers. That's an increase of 5.5% over the previous year. And earnings from the tourism sector in 2016 was over 2.5 billion, an increase of 6.3% over the previous year.
Have a wonderful visit.
The tourism sector is one of our main employers. Around 106,000 Jamaicans work directly in tourism, and another 250,000 are employed indirectly to the sector. And there are plans for growth.
We are going to build out the three key segments. First, the agricultural segment, which deals with all that the consume requirements are for food, for beverage. Then the second is the manufacturing. That is all the needs that they have for bedding, for the construction items. And then the third one for the services that are required.
The Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association, in partnership with the Tourism Linkages Council and other stakeholders, have been hosting speed networking sessions. These events expose hoteliers to a range of products and services offered by local suppliers in small and medium enterprises.
Our tourism players stand here ready to consume the goods and services which can be competitively sourced locally. We recognize the businesses which can be built, the employment which can be created, and the foreign exchange which can remain within our shores through buying local.
Another way Jamaica is keeping more of the tourism dollar is by diversifying our tourism product. Sun, sand, and sea are no longer enough. Our visitors want to experience Jamaica in more personal and memorable ways. To make this possible, tourism linkages networks have been established to create more integration of the food, sports and entertainment, health and wellness, shopping and knowledge industries into the tourism product. Some of the other initiatives to diversify the sector include the establishment of the world-famous Devon House as a gastronomy center, where visitors can get a taste of Jamaica. Or tourists can also take the Blue Mountain Culinary Tour, featuring 15 eateries and attractions. Through the heritage tourism product, private citizens have been buying heritage sites like the Good Hope Great House in Trelawney, Greenwood Great House in St. James, Liberty Hill Great House in St. Anne, and Halse Hall Great House in Clarendon, and transforming them into heritage tourism sites. Jamaica's tourism product, sharing our beauty and culture with the world, partnering with local suppliers, creating jobs and driving growth.